Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you've seen my shorts, we have a first Eclipse problem that happened on this rebuilt motor. So nothing big, just something that I noticed this afternoon when I was checking the oil. I noticed there is a little pool of oil inside the valve cover, and then I pulled the spark plugs and you can see that it's actually all wet. So I'm gonna have to take this oil out, as you can see if I can clean it outside so it doesn't go into the piston chamber. So I'm gonna clean it out. Then I already ordered a brand new valve cover gasket because I made a mistake. I installed the not a good brand, or to be honest, I actually opened this gasket, the valve cover, since the rebuild 4 times. 2 times to check for the torque and the head, and then 2 times to check for the valve stem guides, the seals, to make sure everything is all right, because I did it all by myself, so just wanted to make sure. So I actually believe that the last time I installed it, I did not put no sealant there in between these over here. So that's what happened, and I decided I'm gonna get a new valve cover gasket, install it, get it all good and going. And this is not a big problem, but it could lead to a lot of things. You gotta clean the oil out. Don't let the oil go in your piston. After this, clean the spark plugs really good and all that. Other than that, she's just been sitting in here for a while. I noticed this morning also that the battery is dead, which is weird because, as you can see, it's 2021, and yeah, it's dead. I am trying to see if I am gonna recharge it or return it, because I did have a couple more problems with that battery before, so I'm still debating what to do. Then I have to give her the Eclipse a really nice cleanup. And yeah, just pretty much been kicking back, to be honest. Christmas and all that, so yeah, just a usual thing, something to do. Today I came out and to check to make sure that she's all right. And yeah, that's when I found all these problems. I gotta go through bottom of the car as well, lift it, make sure all the bolts are still holding and all that good stuff. But yeah, not much has been happening with that one, as well as this one. Like I said, the holidays and all that didn't do much. So yeah, just getting ready for next season, getting ready for the whole rebuild of the orange car. And yeah, just some stuff that are coming on the channel. I'm trying to figure out what is the plan with this car, because my biggest concern right now is the orange. I want to rebuild the whole thing and repaint it and get that car on the road. And this is now I'm still debating what to do with this car, because you know how it is. If you want to do something, do it. Don't wait. Because this car is just holding the spot for me right now. I could be having something else. So yeah, I will definitely be thinking about getting rid of this car, and just to make sure that everything is I'm making sure that the whole car is working and it's not having no problems. But yeah, other than that, it's just been sitting. It's been running good, and then didn't have no problems until this. Like I said, this is the first thing I have problem with. It's not a huge deal. It's it's more my fault. But yeah, I'll get that fixed as soon as I get my valve cover gasket. I'm gonna clean it up really good and get that going. And also, we'll see if I can get some stainless steel hardware for some bolts that I noticed they've been corroding. And yeah, just a short video, guys. I don't want to put it too long. And like I said, the orange Eclipse is bigger priority of mine right now. And yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody had a really good holidays and all that. I hope everybody's doing all right. Of course, I really appreciate you guys subscribing and checking my channel. And if you're new, yeah, consider doing it. And thanks, guys. Thanks, guys, again. And I'll see you guys next time. Latest.